Good morning guys, it is Friday and I am really bugged up. I feel horrific. So I don't think I'll be recording my Sunday video today. Hopefully I can do it tomorrow. The car's going in for its service tomorrow and it's so overdue. It's unreal, like, because obviously money had to go into moving and the van and everything else. The car service has just been put off for months and months and months. So it's gonna be in there for a while, I imagine, and hopefully they don't come back and say a lot more needs doing because we haven't got the money to do any extras. So when you see this, please keep your fingers crossed that my car doesn't need tons doing to it, because my MOT is in September and I am absolutely dreading it. So yeah, I have a funny feeling. Well, I know my brakes need doing. I know that I'm gonna need new tires soon. Ugh. If you think about learning to drive, don't. It's so expensive. As much as it's amazing and lovely to have a freedom in a car and some way to get places a lot quicker than you would if you had to walk, it's so not worth it. The amount of money that we've spent on car. And it's only me that drives. If Liam drove as well, it'd be a pain in the butt. Although it would be handy because I wouldn't have to drive everywhere. But money wise, it would be great. So we've got a man coming at 3 o'clock today whilst I look like this. He's coming to do the annual gas check thing on the house. So that's at 3 o'clock. Pardon me. I'm such a pig. I'm so gross, I'm sorry. That's the kind of mood I'm in today. I feel pale and bunged up and a little bit sicky, and I really want it to rain. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being cute? Are you being... Oh. So anyway, I really want a day where it's just pouring with rain outside, thunder and lightning, and as much as we've had a couple of storms here and there, like, there's not been anything exciting. Like, I've seen so many pictures of people in the UK that have had incredible storms, and we just haven't. We've had like bits, but nothing good. I want lots of rain. It's still really warm. It's not as warm as it was yesterday, but I'm rambling. So me and my bunged up nose are going to drink a cup of coffee and see how we feel in a bit. Here comes the rain. Oh yeah. You going out in the rain, bug? No, I don't think so. And with that, I shall close this door. Love the rain, hate my garden. Luna got a bit shocked as well because she just came flying in like, oh my god, what the hell is that falling from the sky? What are you doing with me? Oh, I love rain. I'm weird. Sometimes I'm like, I'm not keen on rain. Nah, thank you, mister. Sometimes I'm like, oh, it's raining again. But after it's been hot for like a month, I'm so ready for some rain. I do like a bit of rain. I like rain when it's not every day. Did you just lick my mouse? You just clicked my mouse button. Buggy. Bug. Buggy. Hey. Bug. You're not looking at me. Have you got any chops? Hey. What have you been digging in? Hey. Ignoring me. How very rude. What is going on right now? Someone's had some kind of transplant of something. Mischief. How do you feel about a doggy sitting next to you and not trying to eat you, or jump on your back, or hump you and make some kind of dog cat Cat dog. What's going on, bug? You being friendly? Or are you just jealous? Yeah, jealous butt. I think the animals know I'm not feeling too hot. Good. Luna there, Mischief there, and Buggy Dog there. And I'm just trying to snazz up the DailyJones channel. But my mind is blank and I feel really fuzzy. And I'm getting a headache. Yay! Today is great. That means today's gonna be boring for you guys. I'm sorry. I feel really bad. Like, what's the point of me doing these vlogs if they are the same thing every day, in and out? We live boring lives. Okay, change of plan for today. I asked Liam to cancel the gas guy coming because I'm really having a bad day. I keep just bursting into tears and I've not felt this runny, I guess you could say, for a while. I don't know if there's a specific reason for it because my brain isn't telling me what the reason is, it's just happening. So I have spent the majority of the day trying to find places to promote DailyJones and When Flowers Fall. VG Toolbox doesn't need it because they have enough followers as it is. They do good. That's the only good thing about like gaming channels on YouTube. You find, oh, the filter just fell into my tea kettle pot. How does one go about fixing this? This way? Nope. This way? Nope, nope. Oh, nope. I think it goes in here. What is going on? Aha! I fixed it. Nope, I broke it. On. Both sides. On that side too. That'll do. If it falls off again, it's not my fault. Finger water. So yes, there's the thing about like gaming channels on YouTube is that there's such a good market for it, and you know there's so many people who enjoy that kind of video that VG Toolbox just kind of blew up. And especially when Dave Chaos got in touch and stuff, and you know Gar and everyone, and they became friends, it kind of just sort of kept growing. And it's different for Broody. It's different for Broody. It's different for Beauty because you're kind of on your own and you kind of have to really make different videos, which is really difficult to do because people have like set videos that they really enjoy doing and really enjoy watching, and there's so many girls and guys, I guess, out there doing beauty videos and tutorials and stuff like that, that it's kind of difficult to stand out and it's difficult to gain subscribers that way. So I've been trying to find ways of, I guess, promoting, and especially with the vlog channel because it's so slow, like the subscribers is so slow, like the growth, and I just want more people to enjoy the videos. And I don't know, it's like it's not even anything to do with money because we don't earn anything off, well, I don't earn anything off When Flowers Fall, I don't earn anything off DailyJones, so it's not even about money, it's literally about wanting people to be part of this community and, you know, enjoying watching the videos that we make and interacting with us and making friends, and you know, it's kind of like one of those things that it's slow. So I have checked out a couple of forums and stuff, but a lot of forums like, don't promote your channel, just come and say hi. It's like, well, what good is that? I say hi. What are you doing, Pascal? You say hi? Oh my god, what's that thing? Pascal! Luna. Don't be my friend anymore. I'm making a big fat cup of tea. Because I want one. And if I thought about it before, I would have had a chai tea, but I didn't think about it before. Oh well. How do you guys like your tea? Strong and brewed orange, like Liam likes it, or not very strong, like me? And people are probably going to shout at me for this, but I don't take my tea bag out until I put the milk in. See, that's pretty strong for me. That is pretty strong for me. Balancing act. Plop. I normally have mine milkier than that. See if we can fit any more milk in. Whereas Liam likes to brew his for like 5 to 10 minutes, and you look at it and it's like, oh my god, what are you drinking, tar? And it's not even coffee, it just looks like he's drinking tar. So I prefer my brews to his brews, but each to their own. Okay, so I'm going to be the queen of multitasking right now. I've got a vlog that I'm watching, or mid-watching. I'm rendering out our vlog. I've just realised my hair has dyed this. Great. And I'm going to put the mattress. Yeah, we have a mattress in our dining room. I'm going to put the rug back down in the dining room and see how it looks. Because I'm bored of sitting down doing nothing. And then I'm going to grab a shower because I stink. So, welcome to our understairs cupboard. Does anyone else have a moment? A place like, Liam bought tents because he's going to the insomnia event with Will, and put all the tents on top of the rug. Ow, I just stubbed my toe. So yeah, he was trying to get some accommodation. Haha, leave it alone, bug. He was trying to get some accommodation, but apparently it's all sold out. Like, everything's booked up and all very, 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 very expensive. So we bought tents for the camp, little campsite field thingy jiggy. Ugh. Move, bug. Out you pop. Hey! Just stole something out of the cupboard. I'm not quite sure what. Right, if I put this back down, you're going to promise you don't pee on it. Oh, it smells like me, mummy. I'm going to Febreze the hell out of it. It's already been cleaned, but it's got a little bit of a... Obviously, you can still smell it. But it has been cleaned. So, squeak! So I'm going to Febreze the frig out of it. And pop it back down. So I need to go get the Febreze, which is upstairs. Because after the whole pee incident the other day, I cleaned the mattress and then Febrezed it just in case. Whew, it's a little bit cooler up here than I expected it to be. So, trusty Febreze. I need to do the hoovering again. He's never, ever, 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 ever having one of those ring frisbee things again, because he doesn't just play with it or chew it. He chews it up into tiny, tiny little pieces, spits it out and leaves it all over the floor. So, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Ciao. Ciao. Yes. Slowly. It's done. Even though it needs cleaning again. What's this? Why is it so messy? It looks grubby because I've just sprayed it with a Febreze so it's wet. But what's this area? I like it. Looks a a bit more roomy with the rug down. Let's have a look from the side. Have you ever seen a grumpier looking cat in your whole entire life? What's up with you, Mischief? You just want to fuss, huh? You just grumpy. You always grumpy. Look at Jealous Butt over there. Jealous. What's up, Papa? I'm gonna go get in the shower now. I'm clean. And Liam decided he wanted to go out for a meal again, even though I'm not feeling great today. Confidence wise, I figured I need to get out of the house, so I've had a shower. My hair's gone super duper frizzy. But I'm so hot right now. I'm not kidding you. I'm boiling my butt off. So yeah, don't know where we're gonna go because we don't know where does good vegetarian stuff. So I don't know. I keep saying I don't know, but I'm roasting and look at this frizz. So yes, just waiting for the Liams to come out and then we'll go and get food because our life seems to revolve around food. Guess where we are? Our favourite place.
Dickinson World.
Dickinson World. Dickinson.
Yeah.
David's World.
David Dickinson.
David's Dickinson's World.
Yeah.
We're going to go check out Chimichanga, we think. I'm not too sure. And it is weird looks today. But that's probably because I'm vlogging.
Hey?
I don't normally vlog outside, do I? Like,
You don't normally vlog outside?
Well, I mean like in public. I'm still not that at that level yet.
No, you're not going to.
It's quite busy. Let's go look at the menu. Choosing foods. I'm gonna have some nachos and I'm going to have, I can't get it open, a veggie burrito. What are you having?
I have the grande quesadilla.
The grande quesadilla. What? What?
Pepper?
No.
Salt?
No. Hot sauce.
Lemon?
I don't like hot sauce and I don't like spicy stuff, so I'm really hoping that nothing comes out too spicy. She says as she's sitting in a Mexican.
Sitting in the poo?
In a Mexican.
How do you feel about that?
Don't I? Probably enjoying it actually.
I'm enjoying you.
Watch our food being cooked. Not that you can't. You can't though, because the window's reflected.
Yeah.
Reflected.
When it's all reflected.
Oh, I put the rug down in the dining room today, under the dining table.
Yeah.
In hoping that he doesn't pee up it.
That's, yeah, we will.
Are you as hot as I am right now?
No?
I'm melting.
He will pee up that, and then you'll have to take it off.
I sprayed it with Febreze.
Don't see how those two things are connected.
Takes the smell away.
But he'll pee in it and then the smell will come back.
Good? Looks good.
Tastes good.
Looks very good. Mmm. Nom. Suntab.
How do we Sam?
Batman. Oh yeah. Nam Batab.
What's so bad at this? Nantab. Namtab.
No, it's Nam. Yeah.
No. Yeah.
That's not bad. Namtab.
What's iPhone backwards? Hoppy.
And Hoppy.
No. And no.
N O P Hobby. You know hobby. Liam backwards. Male. Oh yeah, that's boring.
Male.
Samantha backwards is Atnamas. I've practiced that one before.
Yeah, it seems like it. What's Jones backwards?
Senoj. I wouldn't even want to try Griffith backwards.
Can you say Jones backwards, but phonetically instead of spelled? So say it backwards.
Oh, like Jones. So we need to do that tag. Luke Collard did it, didn't he?
Yeah, the one where you talk backwards.
Yeah, and then you reverse it to see if it sounds right forwards.
I'd be awesome at that.
Leave us some tags that me and Liam have to do. We'll do them.
Yeah. Keep seeing my hair in it. You find it.
Hair. We are home. We are stuffed, and the doggy didn't pee. Yes. So he's now playing with a shoe, which Auntie Sarah bought him, if I remember correctly. Why won't my camera zoom? My camera's not zooming. My camera's not zooming.
Won't zoom out.
Won't zoom anything. I fixed it. No. Eek. So as I was saying, the doggle didn't pee, which is like a miracle. So he's now being all happy. Stop with the toothbrush. Go. That was like a yip and a half. Buggy, what's that? That's my shoe, Mummy. The only one you're allowed to eat. Liam, I wanna. You're so mean to me. Stop it! Fuck, we're all excited then.